How to hard reset your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hard reset your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, you can head back to the initial page, my bad. So after you're on your settings, you will need to head over to general. Now on your general, you should see a lot of options. What you'll do here is scroll down all the way. Now, after you've scrolled down all the way, you should see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Now, before we move on with this process, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after you're on this general page and you've scrolled down all the way, you'll see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now there you should see an option called reset. If you tap on it, you'll get option to reset your settings, your networks and stuff like that. We won't be tapping on reset. What we'll do is we'll tap on erase all content and settings. After you've tapped on that, you'll need to continue. And after you continue, you will get a pop-up asking you if you're sure you want to erase all of your data. So tap on erase iPhone, and after you do that, you will have erased your iPhone. That is, you have hard reset your iPhone. Now you can set it up as a new iPhone, and it's that simple. And that is basically all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.